AirPods volume is often lower on Apple Watch compared to iPhone due to Apple's built-in safety protocols. The Apple Watch caps the volume at approximately 75 to 80% of the maximum iPhone volume. This limit is designed to prevent potential hearing damage, aligning with WHO guidelines that recommend limiting exposure to sounds over 85 dB. The limit is enforced by the Apple Watch software and cannot be adjusted in settings. Key differences include EQ customization. iPhone offers full control, while Apple Watch lacks native EQ controls, potentially affecting audio quality. In short, this is a deliberate design choice for user safety. Although you can't disable the volume limit directly, pairing AirPods with an iPhone will restore full volume and EQ customization. A growing number of users seek workarounds for watch-specific limitations, like hybrid setups where they use iPhones for music during watch-based activities. Future updates to watchOS may introduce user-customizable volume thresholds based on health app data or AI-driven EQ to learn user preferences. The current trend points towards stricter health monitoring but better volume customization options in future devices.